Wakey, wakey.
Yo. Hey yo, welcome back to the channel, my people. Today we're back in the land of bears and mounties. And this strain, it surprised me. And not in the way the label suggests. Let's go. Kim Sweet Diesel by Sitka Legends. Yeah, another Canadian cultivator making waves in the UKC with a lineage of Cake Number 9 and Miss Kim as hybrid strains. And I've paired this with an artisanal terpene tea today, lime and thyme with a butterfly pea flower twist. This is really a specific gummy note coming through here. I wasn't expecting it, so this pairing is next level. Plus, I will say that today's terpene wheel might shock you. So let's break down this brand. Let's look at this drop and work out exactly why this is tasting the way it is. As I pull out the golden grinder, break this one down properly, and a shout out to CB1 Medical for dispensing this for me. And on opening the bag, this one is different. Has some sativa-like notes, but it also has this warming, nostalgic, fizzy cola bottle aroma to it. And that was not all what I expected. So first we need to look at Sitka Legends to work out why is this so unique. Well, Sitka are Canada's only commercial micro-cultivator park. Yes, that's right. And Sitka's mission is to raise the quality of cannabis across Canada. And they ensure this by allowing licensed craft growers to use their state-of-the-art cultivation hub at the Micro Grow Park over on Vancouver Island. They literally have a place where legends grow. And Sitka, well, they also keep an eye out for talented underground growers, and they help them transition to the legal market. Yeah. Now for me, knowing this makes me proud to be using some of this high grade flower on the channel. So big up and shout out to Sitka for that ethos. Yeah. So as well as the gummy, cola bottle, sweet, gassy, sugary fuel fragrance, we've got some small batch growers doing what they love in a stunning location. And this translates into the experience here because this one is uplifting and focused with an instant mood boost. And that's coming without the grogginess that usually accompanies this feeling. So let's have a look at the terpene wheel and let's try and find out why this one is working as the perfect daytime fuel for me at the moment. And this is where it gets interesting because, yeah, according to Sitka's data sheet for this strain, we can see that the unique vibes could be due to terpinolene being a big player in this strain. Now, most of the time, terpinolene content will sit below 1%. So when it's dominant like this, yeah, it's unusual. It's also noteworthy. And dominant terpinolene strains are relatively rare. Terpinolene has a complex aroma profile. It's not just one note, and it's characterized by nature sweet, fresh, piney scents, which are sweet herbal, slightly citrusy, and sometimes floral notes. And terpinolene is found in flower like Durban Poison, Jack Herer, Ghost Train Haze, so that kind of flavour profile. And it's also important to note, guys, that terpinolene oxidizes more readily than some of the other terpenes out there. So this means that storage matters. Older flower may lose the brighter notes faster, and flavour can flatten if not stored well, so this one goes straight in the jar after filming. Alright, next we have caryophyllene, and that's one of the more common cannabis terpenes. Regularly appears as a top 3 terp in many strains. This one has a spicy peppery aroma. Yeah. And myrcene, that acts like a terpene amplifier because it can enhance how other terps and cannabinoids are perceived, and that's often why it changes the overall feeling of a strain. And myrcene, that's also associated with a faster onset. Yeah. And ocimene, Now, ocimine's a lighter, more volatile terp, and it often shows first on the nose. This helps give a strain that brighter, fresher edge. Now, interestingly, ocimene is a plant alarm terpene, so in nature when plants are under stress, maybe they're being eaten by insects, they'll release ocimene as a chemical signal to repel the pests, sometimes even to attract predators of those pests. Okay, so where can we find these terps out in the realm? Good question. First of all, terpinolene, cypress tips, Mediterranean, green cardamom, Sri Lanka, nutmeg, Indonesia, beta caryophyllene of the Sichuan pepper husk, China, allspice berries in Caribbean, Jamaica, copaiba balsam, we find that in the Amazon basin, myrcene, yeah, that's in hop bract, Central Europe and Germany, parsley, the Mediterranean, yeah, ocimene, nasturtium leaf, South America, sweet marjoram from Eastern Mediterranean regions, yeah, snap pea vine from Mediterranean and Western Asia. Oh my days. So guys, this is a unique and special realm-wide flavour packet. So what are my final thoughts? Well, this one is perfect for during the day. It's not too light, not too powerful. It's right in the sweet spot. And Kim's Sweet Diesel has a unique flavour. Lovely terpene profile. It's bright, it's fresh. It carries through to a joyful and light experience. So for me, yeah, it's great for chatting and communicating, as well as feeling relaxed, yet engaged. So thank you all for watching. Thanks to all the new subs. It's great to watch the sub count slowly climb. And yeah, you can now donate to our CIC with Zeffy. Check the links in the description if you want to help support our community work and YouTube content. Shout out to Sitka for being legends. Yeah, CB1 for dispensing this for us to look at. And yeah, all you wonderful people out there who either watch or get directly involved. Will mean the world to me, and your journey is important. So don't forget to like and sub. We'll see you in the next one. Merch is available over at wakeycc.com. Good vibes.